How to buy a Chipotle e-gift card online. Buying a Chipotle e-gift card online lets us send a quick gift or stock up on meals. So if we do not buy it online properly, we could mistake with the amount of the recipient info. So let's do it safely step by step. Open up a browser for that and we can go to Chipotle which is this one right here. You can head over directly to chipotle.com and go to the e-gift card section there. So head over and open it up first and the page should pop up on your screen like this. Now within here we can click on this option called e-gift card. We have section for e-gift card. You can tap on this option and open up another page. And once we do so, what we can do next is we can select up a card design. So you can select up a card design. You can just go over and tap on it and tap on the next step. Once you have selected your card design, there are a bunch of designs available that you can select from and head over to the next page. And now what we need to do is we need to go over and choose a preset amount or type of custom value amount. So you can just go over and do so. Typically it ranges from $5 sometimes. This one is from $25 to 100, so you can select it. And once it is done, you can just go over and personalize it as well. So you can just go over and type in to whom and from and the recipient email, and even add up a personal message if desired. And they can enter your name and email as a sender and double check the email. A wrong email means the recipient won't receive the gift card. Once it is done, you can just go over and tap on this option called send now or and just go over and add it to cart. For that, tap on this option called add to cart. And you can review the details, the amount, and the recipient email and the message, and enter the payment details such as your credit or debit card, PayPal if available, and confirm the payment. After the payment is done, we'll receive a confirmation email, and the recipient will get an email with a gift card code, and they can open it up. And that's it. Now we have successfully bought a Chipotle gift card online, e-gift card online. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.